Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem. 6A2 baseball game. You are keeping the scores for a baseball game with strange rules. At the beginning of the game, you can start with an empty record. You are given a list of strings operation where operations at I is the ith operation you must apply to the record is the one of the following. So it can have an integer, and when we have a plus, a new score is the sum of the previous scores two scores. And when we have D, record new score is the double of the previous scores. And now we have C, so we can just remove the last uh, previous score, return the sum of the scores on the record after playing all the operations. So if we have a string like this, not a string, a list like this, and we will be using a stack, because in stack we can easily take a peek for, you can say, last and previous two. We can easily do that, and we can easily pop, remove, and we can easily push. So that's it. And we have 5, will be appending 5 to the stack, and now we have 2, will be appending to the stack. Now if we, what C says that remove the last record, so 2 will be removed. D says double the last record, so it will be 10. And now plus says that add the last two elements, and the stack will be like this. Now if we sum them up, we'll be getting 30. That's why it is 30 here. So let's get started now with our code. So we'll be making a stack which will be empty from the start. So for every operation for every O in operation, let's call it OP. Okay. So operations. Okay. If OP is equal to plus, what we will be doing is just stack dot append. What we want to append is the stack uh, last, you can say, pop, not pop, peak, yes, peak. And taking the second peak, which will be the element underneath it. So now if OP is equal to C, capital C, what we want to do is remove. So we can just say stack dot pop, and C is done. Now in the elif case, if OP is equal to D, so for D and stack, in that case we will stack dot append, doubling the peak. So 2 multiply stack peak, which will be done like this. And in the else case, we are going to have the record appending to the stack. So an integer appending to the stack. So append typecasting that string, you can say this, because this is these are in string. This is a list of strings, yes. So that's why we are typecasting it into integer and then appending it. And after that we can just return the sum of the stack. That's it. Let's see if this works or not. Stack is not defined. Do you mean stack? Okay, there was a type mistake. And that's it.